Hi everyone, I am going to explain the folder structure of the React app we built in previous video. First we have node modules. What are node modules? These are independent pieces of JavaScript code packaged for distribution and reuse. When we want to install a module, we simply give the command npm install and the module name. For example, let's just say React Router DOM. We are going to install it, press enter, and wait until it's installed. We can import the module into our React component using import in statement usually. Then we have here public folder. As you can see, it plays a crucial role in any React application. It's like a public face of our application. Here you can see index.html. Uh, this is the main HTML file that serves as the entry point for our application. Then we have manifest.json. This is used to configure web app features like offline support and home screen icons. Now to the src folder. This is where we make all the changes and coding. First we have app CSS, the main app.js, the main JavaScript file for the application. Index CSS, this is the CSS file for the entry point of the application. Then index.js, the JavaScript file for the entry point of application. So now let's pay attention to components. Basically, components are the building blocks. In this app, we only have one component rendered here. This is app component. And so all we see here is an right here in app.js. As you can see, it looks like a HTML, but it is JSX. JSX is a syntax extension. Right here. Now let's remove all that content and let's set something, a header, set our reactor. Okay, now save it, and okay, as you can see, it's here. Now we can change this content as we pleases. Now let's create a very basic web application. First, build a component folder inside src folder. Okay, now let's add three files. Basically, websites has three layers: footer, header, and body. Let's create JS files for those three: header.js, footer.js, and main.js. Okay, then let's write code for the header.js. First, import React. Imports necessary functionality from the React library. So let's type it. Then let's define the header component as a functional component using ES6 arrow function syntax. Like this. We have to return the value to export it. First, you can include anything you want inside these brackets. Okay. Let's just add some text and then export default function to export the header components as the default export this file. Okay. Mm, Export default the header function header. Okay. Now let's go to app.js and import our header JS to app.js. Import header from path. Now let's change the content of app. Mm, I'm going to use ES6 arrow function to that as well. Let's include our header function inside the division. Now let's run npm start and then run application. As you can see, we can see the component we included in header. Okay, now let's copy it and paste it to footer and main and change the and content as well. I'm going to repeat same for the footer. Okay, now let's import those two to app.js as well. Now let's render the components, all three of them. Okay, as you can see, all the content is visible. You can add content and make the styles and add the styles. So this is very basic. We'll discuss more further details in a single page website we're gonna build next. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.